Hi, Austin. Hi, sweetie. You've already been sitting up for a few minutes now. Sitting up all by yourself. No assistance. Look at that. Getting so big. You just started doing this 2 days ago. Yeah. Look at that. Look how strong you are. Strong boy. What does that toy do? What does that toy do, Austin? Remember I showed you? You press here. Oh, good job. Good job, honey. Let's do it again. Press here. Press here. I agree. Pretty exciting. It's too far away. Look, look. Press here. Or put your forehead on it, or eat it. That's good too. That's good too. The point is, this entire time, you've been sitting up on your own. I find that extremely exciting. And a great opportunity to show everyone your super cute and chubby feet. Look at these tootsies. Look at these tootsies. Look at how cute they are. Oh, not the camera, honey. Not the camera. Okay. This is not good. There we go. Alright, we're going to say bye-bye. Until the next video. Man, you're still going strong. I thought for sure you would have flopped back by now. Whoa, there we go. There we go. Alright, let me help you up. Let me help you up. Sit up. You can do it. There you go. Good job. Alright, now we'll get going. Now we'll get going.